Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Grate for Star Mfg Part WS-23222. Grate for Wells Part WS-23222 is a replacement grate designed to fit Wells brand fryers. It is made of stainless steel and has a flat surface with a slotted pattern. The grate is designed to hold food items in the fryer basket and allow oil to drain away from the food. It also helps to keep the fryer clean by preventing food particles from sticking to the bottom of the fryer. The grate measures 17 inches by 17 inches and is easy to install. This part fixes the following symptoms. Grate for Wells Part WS-23222 is used to replace a damaged or corroded grate in a well. It can help prevent debris from entering the well and can help improve water flow. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by gathering the necessary tools and materials for the installation. You will need a drill bit, screwdriver, pliers, and a wrench. 2. Measure the opening of the well to ensure that the grate will fit properly. 3. Place the grate into the opening and mark where you need to drill holes for mounting screws. 4. Drill pilot holes in the marked locations and insert mounting screws into each hole. 5. Securely tighten each screw with a wrench or pliers to ensure that it is secure in place. 6. Test the grate to make sure it is securely in PL. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.